Hi friends, it's Miss Payne and families. Oh my god, I miss you guys so much. I was just going to pop on here for a little bit to kind of do a little how-to video on how to log into Google Classroom and like what to do once you get there and how to map out these kind of uncharted waters, this little rough area we're going through right now. Coming at you live from my backyard. Mr. Payne's in there working. And his voice is so loud that I had to come outside because I tried recording earlier and his voice drowns out mine. He's also working from home, so we're all working from home here. Anyways, I'm going to show you how to log into Google Classroom and kind of map out what you're doing for the week. I have already noticed a few things that I have messed up on. I know at the beginning this morning when the lessons got sent out at 9 a.m., a lot of things were blocked and you had to request access, and it ended up being that the district didn't allow all those things to be approved. So they were hearing it from everybody. I know they were hearing it from elementary schools, they were hearing it from middle schools and high schools. And I'm sorry about that. And just know that this is all self-paced. There is nothing due today. And even if by Friday there's something that you still need to work on this first week or so, and hopefully it's not much longer than that, I'm going to give you grace, obviously. I got my trusty bang energy per usual. Two things. We need to make sure that we are accessing Google Classroom through ReadyHub. That means that you are going to ReadyHub, whether that means you're going through garlandisd.net and going through there, or you are going typing in ReadyHub through Google. I'm going to go through garlandisd.net and do it that way. And then you need to make sure that you have your ID and your password. If you don't have either of those things and you've forgotten, some people have, please send me a text message at 972-510-9257. I could be wrong. Let me double check. This Payne is still trying to memorize this phone number. 1 second, friends. Don't hate me. 5297. So my number is 972-510-5297. Okay. And then you need to make sure you have your ID and your password in order to get into ReadyHub. Then when you get into ReadyHub, you know you have your all your apps on there, right? So what you're going to do is go to Google Classroom. Now, because you are logging in, probably not on a school device, some of you are logging on a school device, and that school device is not yours, so maybe you will have to re-input all of your information. So some of you have forgotten your Google ID, which is the email that you are given. If you have forgotten that, please have your parents send me a text about that too. That is very important. If you do not have that, you do not have Google Classroom. All right, let's get going. So when you go to your web page, I want you to type in, whoa, not all caps, we are not yelling, garlandisd.net. Look at that. Already saved on my computer. Who would have thought? We got all the sad news. So what you would do is you would go to schools, and then there should be an area for students to click in through there. I'm going to go to for staff because I am staff. But on yours, just like mine, it even has the ReadyHub page. And you'll click ReadyHub. You'll type in your user ID, your password. Whoa. Log in. Just as usual, I have pretty much the same apps that you do, but I have the teacher version. Notice I also have Google Classroom. It says staff. Yours will say student. Now you'll see that mine automatically logs me in. But for you, it might not automatically log you in. So you are going, I'm hoping it does. If it doesn't, then you need to make sure that you have your Google ID and password. if your parents have a Google account, brother or sister have a Google account, you need to make sure that you are logged out of their name, signed out, because it can really mess everything up and turning in things and it'll get sloppy. Make sure everybody is signed out of their Google account before you log into your Google account. You will see that Mrs. Payne's 4th grade is right there. You'll click right here. And now when you come to this page, it'll take you straight to Stream. When you go to Stream, it's like, ooh, what is all this? Oh, assignment this, assignment that. Go to Classwork. It has every content area with everything in order. Okay. Now with reading and writing today, I figured out that the readings that are linked weren't able to be viewed, so I added them here. So if they for some reason still don't work, that's where you can also access them. Okay, so I'm going to go through each one and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do for each subject. Every subject has a little bubble right here. It looks like a little bookmark. This is almost like your to-do list for the week. So you'll click on it, you'll open. Luckily for you, this week in social studies and in every subject I have it color-coded. So it'll tell you what to do. So it's for every week, just listen and read along on the studies weekly. Complete the questions after each section of reading and watch any added videos. This week is a catch-up week. Next week will be different. Okay, so for today is day 1, lesson 1. So you're going to play week 22. You're going to listen to it like we do in class, where you're going to answer the questions like you do in class. If there are any extra videos, you can view those and move on. That's all you're doing for social studies this week. Tomorrow you'll do week 23, Wednesday you'll do week 24, and so on. Okay, I'm going to go back. Okay. Science. Let's go to our little bookmark here of our to-do list of things to do. You will be using a digital science notebook while working at home. It might be a little confusing at first, however, Google Slides becomes easier as you use it. Remember to insert a text box when writing a response to anything. When I pull up the the digital science notebook, I will show you exactly how that works. Do not turn your digital science notebook in. I can see what you write daily. This is going to be an ongoing thing until hopefully we go back to school. This will be an ongoing thing though. This is not going to be, it doesn't have a due date or anything like that. So please read below what we were doing in science this week. So for just today, please view the following video for this week's lessons in science. You're going to click the video. Watch the video. When you get done, write down or type 3 things that you learned about producers in your digital science notebook. On the second page of your notebook, please include 3 photos of different types of producers you could find in your neighborhood. If you're able to go on a nature walk and capture your own photos, you may do so and upload them. Neighbors talk. If not, Kiddle.co is your best friend. You know I love Kiddle.co. He doesn't like when I talk. View the following video and answer the question in your digital science notebook. So there's another video about photosynthesis. And then you will answer the question, why is photosynthesis important? Please answer this question in a different color so that I can see that you are adding your notes. Please complete the assignment titled Lesson 1 Exit Ticket. Remember to click Turn In. This will be graded. Once you are done with all this, you are done with science for the day. So what you'll need to do is watch the video. You're going to write notes. You're going to choose pictures. And then watch another video, answer this question, and then answer that question. What we'll do is we'll go back. Okay, only got about 5 minutes left. Yikes. So for today is day 1, lesson 1. Oh, nice. I already have 7 out of 15 assigned. Need to look at that again. 7 already turned in. That's awesome. So what you'll do is you'll pull up the Google form. Well, I've already responded. You will answer it and then turn it in and it gets sent to me. Excuse me. And then for your digital science notebook, you will click here You'll open this. And it kind of is like our own science notebooks that we have at school. You have a table of contents, and then you have your producers. Just like I was saying earlier, you will insert a text box right there and type in whatever you learned. And then anything that you mess up on or you want to take away, you just do the back button. Got it? Okay, let's move down to math. Same thing, we always go to our little bookmark. It gives us what we're doing for the week. This week you will also be required to do homework. Oh no. And that will be a new pathway titled At Home Learning, Area and Perimeter. Pathway will be a homework grade. Most work will be done through Envision, through Pearson on ReadyHub, Imagine Math, and Imagine Math Facts, all found on ReadyHub. For today, log into Pearson, Envision. Look for the video titled Perimeter Visual Learning. View the video, Perimeter, Another Look video. View the Perimeter, Another Look video. Here are some formulas. I would like for you to write these down somewhere safe and keep them. Complete the Quick Check Perimeter Quick Check on Envision. Complete the exit ticket titled Lesson 1 Exit Ticket. Next, after that, you will do 15 minutes of Imagine Math Facts. Set a timer. Once you're done with that, you're done with math for the day. So, once I do all my Pearson stuff, I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to do Lesson 1, Exit Ticket 1. Ooh, I'm so proud of these friends getting this work turned in. You will pull up this Google form. I think there's 2 questions on there. You'll answer it, submit it, and it shoots it right to me, and I can see what grade you get, and I can tally that down. Reading. Remember, we always go to the bookmark. Open the bookmark. So we're kind of going to stagger for right now. We're going to be doing reading one day, writing the next, sometimes reading and writing one day. But it's pretty simple. Let's go ahead and open that. This week you will be required to also do homework, which is 2 Pass and Achieve 3000 lessons. I will be checking these for homework grades. These are always due on Friday. Also, students should be reading for at least 15 minutes a day. If you do not have books at home, please log into ReadyHub and access Myon. Time yourself. If you're really into your book, read for 30 minutes. If you're able, read outside under a tree when it's not wet. I'm hoping to record myself reading our class novel, The Bell Bandit, from the Lemonade War series. I would love to be able to read it live. I think for this week, I will have to record myself and post it. I will ask the parents to see who would all be available for a live read. How about that? Okay, for today, we have main idea. You're going to read the article, Nothing Can Stop Her. It's a great story about a girl named Jordan Reeves. Then you're going to view the main idea video. This is a video we have watched a bazillion times. We should all know the chorus, okay? Sing along if you want to. Please complete the graphic organizer to go with the article. It is an assignment labeled graphic organizer assignment under reading and writing. You will then read for 15 to 30 minutes on Myon or a free choice book. Tell somebody about what you read. When all of this is done, you are done with reading and writing for today. Let's go back down here and get the exit ticket pulled up. You'll open this. This is not your exit, it's considered an exit. It's your assignment for the day. You'll open it. It should already have your text boxes on there for you to respond. You should be able to just type or even write. If you are having issues with this, please text me. I don't know about Google Drawings. This is my first time. Other than that, that is how you use the Google Classroom. Remember, we always go to classwork first. I gotta work on this stream page, y'all. This guy is hairy and scary. Always go to classwork first. It's much more organized, much more calming. I miss you guys a lot, and I am struggling. I wish we were back at work. School. I never thought I would say I want to go back to work. I don't want to be in vacation mode anymore. Anyways, I'm hoping to record myself reading the next chapter in The Bell Bandit. My timer is about to go off, but love you guys so much, and I miss you tons and tons. Wish I could just hug you. Bye, guys.